Anyway, I got the door panels in, looking good. Minimal amount of screws. So, like I said, I velcroed the top and sides, and looks good. Now I'm taking out this carpet. I got it out on the other side. It turned orange over the years, and I'll get this back in here. I used some spray foam on the other side to fill that gap in to keep the heat out from the engine. And then here I'm going to make a cover. They showed them in the book, and so anyway, I'll make a template for it first, and then probably make it out of aluminum, and maybe cover it or spray it. But anyway, here's what color the carpet was originally, this brown, and it faded to that orange. So when we take it to the upholsterer, I'll put in something that goes with the seat colors. And it's also, the brown is on the back of these seats right here. So I'll have them do that, because I guess they'll turn orange eventually. So anyway, when I'm making these things, I'll put that up. Okay, got the pattern laid out, my template here, and gonna put a lip on there, and it'll fold in and lean up against the dash. This up here, I'll put the screws in from the side of the dash. Then I'll probably put a screw or two over here, through the top of the fender there. So anyway, let me get this broke up. Okay, so I got the carpet out over there. Got my template made for the passenger side, and that will fill that area in. So I'll put a couple of screws in, and that'll clean that up, so it looks a little better there. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go make it. Okay, got the panel busted up. Yeah, let's go over here and see what it looks like, see if it fits. Pretty close. You have to do a little more tweaking on it. Now, am I hitting here? Yeah. Okay, I'll do a little more tweaking. It's looking pretty good there. So anyway, let's see what we can come up with.